What is up? Welcome back to the channel. We're getting back on the Suburban. This thing needs some shocks on it. Needs a notch in the cross member. So let's design some brackets, get them mounted, and then we'll work on that cross member, get that taken care of. The night is young. I am not. So let's get going. Alright guys, so instead, here's a little tip. Instead of trying to use your shock to mount and compress it and try to keep it compressed, get yourself a piece of tubing, figure out your compressed height of the shock, drill holes in a piece of tubing, and here, look, a mocked shock that is ready to be mounted. Boop. That's my Wednesday tip of the day. It'd have been better if it was a Tuesday tip. Yeah, that would have been better. Anyway, let's get these mounted on there so I can get that axle out and start to get those link bars welded up. It's a little hard to hold with the camera. But right now what I'm going to do is get the bottom tabs tacked on, and then I'm going to do the bottom tabs. I did put a flat spot in them so I can actually use a little level to get them perpendicular. I think to make it easier, I'm going to get them tacked on, and then I'll swing it back to the to get the uppers tacked on, because right now I'm fighting myself trying to hold it. It's also freezing. The metal's cold. My fingers I can't feel. My feet obviously I can't feel because I haven't bought shoes, and well, my work shoes are a little rough, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, it's snowing too. It's supposed to snow today. It's really coming down. Yeah, okay. Who's ready for warm weather? I know I am. Anyway, let's get back to work. It's here. It's snowing a little bit. It's like a winter wonderland. All right, so got the shocks, got the shock tabs both tacked in. Everything looks pretty good. Drop the axle just to see where shocks fully extended would hit, and yeah, everything looks good. Got plenty of clearance. Got plenty of clearance there. Plenty of clearance there. I think we're good to go, and we can still get the wheel on and off, which was one of the concerns. So let's get it tore down.
Sister, don't wanna have to see we might as well rock and roll.